Radiant Solutions HeatTapePro 87-foot cable stands out for its self-regulating design that automatically adjusts heat output to prevent ice dams and frozen pipes without wasting electricity. The patented glowing end cap makes it easy to confirm the entire run is energized and working correctly, which is especially reassuring on long roof edges and hidden pipe runs. Construction quality is clearly commercial grade, with robust insulation and fully molded connections that feel far more durable than typical consumer heat cables. Its certification for use on many common roofing materials and outdoor piping gives homeowners and contractors flexibility to use a single product across a wide range of projects. Despite its heavy-duty build, the cable is straightforward to install for a careful, do-it-yourself user who follows layout guidelines and uses proper clips and accessories. In real winter conditions, this system delivers reliable, even melting performance that helps prevent dangerous icicles, roof leaks, and burst pipes around the home.